number 110708. Candidate name is Gaganjot Dhima. This is your speaking test. Let's talk about. What can I know your name?
My name is Gaganjot Dhima.
How can I address you?
I feel glad if you call me by my first name Gagan.
How much do you work in a week?
Well, I am a student. Recently, I have completed my senior secondary education from CBSE board, and now I am pursuing my IELTS course for my higher studies.
Do you like the place where you work?
As I said earlier, I am a student. I am going to institute for my making my skills more improver. So I like the place where I am studying.
Let's talk about age. Are you happy to be age you are now?
Yes, I am very happy. Recently, on my last birthday, I got 18. I am very happy because now I am eligible to do anything.
When you were a child, did you think a lot about your future?
Well, yes, when I was a child, I think a lot about my future as it's my dream to become a singer. But this is my passion. But later I got to understand that singing is a passion. I can't pursue my career in this stream, so I decided to become a database administrator.
Do people change as they grow older?
Well, yes, of course, people changes when they older, as many changes happen in their life and in their physical as well as mentally changes were there,
Do you think you have changed as you have got older?
Well, future is uncertain. We can't predict it. But if I talk about when I got older, so I think I changed a lot. I changed my thinking style as well as my way of talk towards it.
What will be different about your life in future?
Life was slower in the past and desires were fewer. But if I talk about future, then definitely some changes will occur, which changes behavior.
Is childhood the happiest time in person's life?
Of course, childhood is the happiest time of an individual's life, as at that time we got freedom from everything. Our parents also can't stop us from doing such fully things. But when we grow up, our parents set some limitations and foundations to do something on time.
This is end of part 1. I am giving you one topic, and don't worry if I'll interrupt you. You have to prepare 1 minute and speak for 2 minutes on that topic. Your topic is describe an occasion when you borrowed something from someone. You can use notes and pen also. What it was, when it happened, who you borrowed it from, what you did with it. is Rubu. Let's start.
Today I will glad to talk about on this topic that that one of the occasion when I bought something from my friend. Well, this occasion is on my sister's wedding. As on her wedding, I'm very excited because it's a destination wedding in Jaipur. I was really fascinated by the location, but on the main event, my strater got didn't work. My strater didn't work, and I really got very upset. But when I talked to my sister about this thing, then she helped me a lot, and she helped me a lot by giving me her own strater, as well as also she helps me in getting ready as I have to go for cake cutting ceremony, as I am too late for the occasion. But at that time I realized that firstly I have to check the thing, and then I have to keep it in my bag. After that, when I borrowed it from my sister, also I thank her a lot. If she didn't help me, then I was unable to get ready and unable to be on time. As this is a really very big occasion for my sister, she feel really very upset when if I'm not on time. So this is the thing that this is the occasion when I bought something from my friend.
This is end of part 2. Let's talk about borrowings. What kind of celebrations are common in your country?
Well, there are many celebrations in my country, like birthday parties, as well as some other occasions like marriage ceremonies, anniversary ceremonies, and many more.
Is patriotism a kind of celebration?
Well, yes, patriotism is a kind of celebration, as these play a very significant role in one's life, as there are many patriotic days in which we celebrate, like Independence Day and Republic Day.
Why do people care so much about National Sports Day? Why do people care so much about National Sports Day?
People think a lot about National Sports Day as the people who are interested in sports are very keen interested in them in their upcoming episodes, as well as upcoming stars, that what they are going to do and what is going on in the matches. Like nowadays IPL is going on, and the people who are interested in sports are more keen, are spending more time on these sports channels.
Let's talk about borrowings and lendings. Have you ever borrowed a book from someone else?
Yes, of course. I borrowed a book from my friend when my economics exam was there, when I was in 12th standard. At that time my book got lost, and I was really very upset about that, because after a day my exam was there, so I borrowed a book from my friend.
Do you like to lend to others?
Well, yes, I like to learn from others, as sometimes some people can't afford, as we contribute our money and purchase one book which we later lend from each other, so which becomes easy for us to save money.
Would you ever lend friend money?
No, I can't. I never tried to lend money from my friend, as I think he also have. I think the friend is also. Sometimes situation occurs. Our friend also does not have money, so we can't afford. So we can't tell him to give some money as when we require.
Would you lend someone your phone to make a phone call?
Well, yes, I have lent my phone for many people, and many times as sometimes like recently, before my exam I have to make a phone call to my mother, as there was an important appointment for me to a doctor. So I call her from my friend's phone. So I think I always in case of emergency we can lend a phone from other people.
Thank you so much. This is end of your speaking test.